Now the big question, what is Docker? Before I explain what Docker is, let me explain an issue that is very common with software development. When developers develop an application on their machine, it works fine. But when it is deployed to production or other environment, something breaks or it does not work as expected. At that moment, you will have a feeling that can I just take my local machine and put that as a server because it works fine on my local machine. Docker makes that wish come true. Docker is compatible with any programming. So it is not something related to a language or any particular project. In simple words, Docker is a packaging solution to simplify software development. You can think of Docker as an empty box where you can put your operating system, your software, your code, and everything in that one box. When you run your application that you put in the box, you run that in that highly sealed box. If the application runs in that box, then you basically take that box and make it online or push that to the server. And that will solve the problem on if it works on my machine, it will work on server. Because we take the same box and kind of make it online. That box has all the code, all the dependencies, and everything sealed inside that for your application. Now this box that contains everything is called a container in a Docker. One of the biggest benefit of packaging or containerization is that it will enable developers to basically zip or pack all of the application dependencies in one place or a container. And on top of that, no matter where you are running that, it will always work the same. And that will eliminate the deployment issues. Now that is a 10,000 feet overview, or in simple words what Docker is doing. But behind the scene there are few things that are going on, and there are two main terminologies that you should be familiar with when we are working with Docker. Let me walk you through them in the next video.